In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can pin the File Explorer to Taskbar on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Simply search for File Explorer on your Windows 11. Okay, here it is. File Explorer. All you have to do once it appears under the best match is make a right click and you'll have this option pin to taskbar. Simply click on that to pin it to the taskbar. And now we have just pinned it on the taskbar. And if you want to unpin it, simply make a right click and select the option Unpin from taskbar. And that's it. That's how you can easily pin the File Explorer into the taskbar, wherein you can easily access into the File Explorer on your Windows 11. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.